I am starting this video with the highlight of my stay, the view from the room. The setting sun only adds to the experience. A fantastic vista over the Rhine and Cologne Cathedral. I think that this is one of the best views from any hotel rooms I have stayed at. On with the review. The Hyatt Regency Cologne is a prestigious five-star hotel ideally situated on the right bank of the Rhine River, offering spectacular views of the iconic Cologne Cathedral, Kölner Dom, and the Old Town. Located on the Kennedy Ufer, its prime location provides guests with easy access to the city's key attractions, business district, and the Köln Messe Exhibition Center. The hotel features a total of 306 well-appointed rooms, which include 17 elegant suites and a spacious apartment. Beyond the luxurious accommodation, the Hyatt Regency Cologne is a full-service destination. It boasts a posh restaurant, often serving contemporary cuisine with a focus on fresh ingredients, and a chic bar that serves as a popular meeting point. Guests can also enjoy extensive wellness facilities, including a swimming pool and a full-service spa, making it an excellent choice for both business travelers and tourists looking for relaxation and convenience in the heart of the city. Room with 2 Queen Beds and Rhine View 229 virtual visit. Here is my objective assessment.
Positive points.
I was upgraded to a Rhine View room. Thank you, Hyatt. Tea and coffee making facilities. Safe in room. Minibar. Bathrobes. Iron in room. Phone to TV pairing. Fantastic view from the window. Very nice pool and spa area. The lady in charge was helpful and friendly. Sumptuous breakfast with a big selection including smoked salmon and sparkling wine. The breakfast doesn't come cheap at €39 per person, but in my opinion was worth it.
Negative points.
Slight smell of sewers in the bathroom. Pity there wasn't an espresso machine. I stayed in June 2025. The room including breakfast cost around €192, that was equivalent to around $224. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the rating I give to the hotel at the end of the video. If you are thinking of spending a night in Cologne, click on the top right to see my review of the Hotel Lindner am Dom, also a Hyatt hotel, The bathroom was big and stylish, but like I said in the negative points, there was a slight smell of sewers. Pharmacopia is a luxury toiletries brand from the USA. The brand is rooted in a philosophy of natural, plant-based, and eco-conscious personal care. If you fancy seeing the review of another hotel that uses Pharmacopia, click on the top right to see my review of the Hyatt Regency Birmingham, UK. Here is the breakfast buffet. There was a huge selection to choose from. Smoked salmon. A good selection of German cheeses. The staff were in charge of serving coffee. It worked okay, but I always feel that self-service coffee is the best system. Croissants and cakes. A big selection of different types of bread. If you like Nutella, this is the hotel for you. Fancy sparkling wine for breakfast? Eggs to order. Ginger shot. Here is the breakfast room with a view over the Rhine. They have an occupied card, which is very useful for people traveling solo. It is used everywhere in Japan, but not so much in Europe. You just turn it round when you are finished eating breakfast. Here is the pool. And here is the jacuzzi. Here is the sauna with a window. And finally, the steam room. That door leads to the pool. My rating 4.6.